Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. In today's episode, we are going to make Sanje Fuler Bora or drumstick flour fritters. For that, we are going to take 3 tablespoons of gram flour or besan or bashon in a bowl. And to that, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of rice flour to make it crispier. Okay, now to that add turmeric 1/4 teaspoon, then add red chili powder 1/2 teaspoon and 1/2 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and mix them together. Next add salt according to your taste. Add onions. If you want to make it vegetarian, then omit onions and garlic. Next I'm adding garlic chopped, finely chopped. Next I'm adding ginger, finely chopped, and then goes green chilies, finely chopped, and mix them as well. Now next, the star ingredient, which is Sajneful or Drumsticks Blossoms of flowers. We're going to add that. This is the season, in winter season only we get this Sajneful or drumstick flower. Next add water little by little as required. When you will mix them together, then only you will get to know how much water you have to add. So according to that, we are going to add the water little by little, and make sure you wash your hand before you do this. So I think it's just a little bit of dry. We need more water. Oh sorry, I forgot to add sugar. Also add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar will definitely enhance the taste. Next add just a little bit of water again and mix to see if it's okay or not. So it's still just a little bit of dry, I think. So I'm going to add just a little bit of water more and mix it. Now I think this is the consistency I wanted. You can see it's not runny and it's not very dry. All the besan are sticked to the Sajneful. Next is we have to fry it. For frying I'm using mustard oil. Take 3 tablespoons of mustard oil and heat it up till they are smoking hot. So now it's smoking hot. Lower down your flame. We are going to fry the fritters over low flame. So add small portions of the fritters. Don't use big portions, then they will be raw from inside. And don't overcrowd the pan, then the temperature of the oil will drop. So we have to fry them for like 2 to 3 minutes on each side till they are golden brown, and do it over low flame. Now one side is done. I'm going to flip it over and fry on the other side, and again 2 to 3 minutes on that side. So after 2 to 3 minutes it's done. You can see both the sides are golden brown now. So I'm going to remove it on a plate. So for removing it on a plate, first one thing I do is turn the heat up so that they will release oil, and then hold it like this and they will release all the oil. Here see, you can see all the oil are drained out. Oh, this one is again falling. This one is a naughty one. Okay, so all of them are done. So I hope you like the recipe. Enjoy your Sanje Fuler Bora with tea or dal in case of you are eating rice. And also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.